Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can reset your home layout settings. So as you can see over here, I have arranged them in like alphabets, so you can see over here some of the alphabets are randomly placed over here. So as you can see, I want to change this in alphabets or like arrange them in correct order. So I want to reset my home screen layout. So simply do is click on settings on the top on your phone and then scroll up and then go to generals, and there you will find at the bottom you will see transfer and reset iPhone. So simply click on that and then click on reset, and then you will see over here 1 2 3 4 fifth option over here like reset home screen layout. So when you click on that, your home screen will be resetted. As you can see, this option pop-ups over here. So simply click on reset home screen, and then once you come in your home screen, you will see your changes over here. Like you can see over here, Shadowfied 4 is previously on the end of this page, and like over here YouTube Studio. So that's how you can change, like arrange them in the order. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.